Imagine waking up to a world where your car isn't just your transportation, but also your home. For some, this isn't just a hypothetical situation, but a harsh reality. The car that once took you to work, school, or leisurely drives is now your refuge, your shelter, your last resort. It's a scenario that's becoming increasingly common, whether due to economic downturns, sudden job losses, or catastrophic natural disasters. In such circumstances, preparedness is not just about having a few canned goods or a first aid kit on hand. It's about knowing how to transform your vehicle into a functional living space when every resource counts. It's about understanding that your vehicle is no longer just a mode of transportation but a potential lifeline. For those who find themselves unexpectedly living out of their vehicles, it's a stark reminder of how quickly life can change. One moment, you're driving to work or planning a road trip. The next, you're figuring out how to make your car into a safe, comfortable place to sleep, eat, and live. But this isn't about fear. It's about facing reality head-on and developing the resilience and resourcefulness to adapt to whatever life throws your way. It's about learning to make the most out of the vehicle you already own, to maximize space, comfort, and safety. Being prepared means adapting to situations we never thought we'd face. It's about turning the unexpected into the manageable, the frightening into the familiar. It's about transforming a crisis into an opportunity for growth and self-reliance. So let's delve into this reality. Let's explore the possibilities of vehicle living, not with apprehension, but with a sense of empowerment. Because knowledge is power, and with the right preparation, you can face any situation with confidence and resilience. It's time to explore the possibilities. The first step towards vehicle living is understanding the limitations and potential of your vehicle. Let's delve into that. Start by considering the size of your vehicle. Is there enough space for you to stretch out and sleep? Can you store essential items without cramping the available space? Remember, you'll need room for food, water, clothing, and basic living supplies. Now, think about comfort. Can the seats fold down to create a flat sleeping area? If not, could you add a mattress or sleeping pad? Seat comfort can make a huge difference in your quality of life. Lastly, consider safety features. Does your vehicle have tinted windows to provide privacy? Can all doors and windows lock securely? Do you have a functional spare tire and jack? These are just a few factors to consider. Every vehicle is unique, and with some creativity and adaptation, most can be made suitable for living. Knowing your vehicle's potential is the first step towards making it a home. A few critical modifications can turn your vehicle from a mode of transport into a functional shelter. Let's jump right in and discuss how we can transform your ride into a safe, comfortable living space. The first major modification we're going to discuss is creating a sleeping space. Now, this will greatly depend on the type of vehicle you have. For larger vehicles like vans or SUVs, the back seat area can be converted into a makeshift bed by folding down the seats. For smaller cars, you might have to get a bit creative. Consider removing the passenger seat to free up room, or even reconfiguring your trunk. Next, we need to think about insulation. Insulation is key to maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your vehicle, especially during extreme weather. Consider using items like bubble wrap, foam boards, or even heavy blankets to insulate your car. These materials can be attached to the interior sides of your vehicle using adhesive spray or Velcro strips. Now let's talk about privacy. When you're living in your vehicle, your windows become walls. It's important to cover them for both privacy and temperature control. Reflective window shades can be a great option, as they not only block out prying eyes, but also help to keep the heat out during the day and retain warmth at night. Alternatively, you can use blackout curtains or even spray paint your windows from the inside. Remember, the aim is to make your vehicle as comfortable and functional as possible. You want to create a space where you can rest, relax, and recuperate. It's about making the most out of a tough situation and maintaining your dignity and stability. With these modifications, your vehicle starts to resemble a home more than a car. In the next scene, we'll delve into how to control temperature and implement safety measures to ensure you stay safe while living out of your vehicle. So, stick around, there's more to come. Surviving in your vehicle means dealing with temperature extremes and ensuring your safety. Now, let's delve into how you can manage this effectively. Temperature control in a vehicle can be a challenge, particularly during the sweltering summer or freezing winter months. In the summer, parking your vehicle in the shade and using reflective sunshades can help keep the interior cooler. Opening the windows slightly while ensuring security can allow for the much-needed breeze. If you have access to ice, a DIY cooler can be made using a styrofoam cooler, ice, and a battery-powered fan. During the colder months, insulation is key. Reflective insulation panels can be cut to fit your windows, creating a barrier against the cold. Sleeping bags designed for extreme temperatures, layered clothing, and even a hot water bottle can provide additional warmth. Remember, it's essential to never use a fuel-burning heater inside your vehicle due to the risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. Now, let's talk about safety. Your vehicle is not only your transportation but your refuge. It's crucial to take steps to protect yourself and your belongings. First, consider window coverings. Not only do they provide privacy, but they also prevent potential thieves from getting a peek at what's inside. Next, park smart. Choose well-lit, populated areas whenever possible. Many people living in their vehicles recommend Walmart parking lots as they often allow overnight parking. Be aware of local laws and restrictions to avoid unwanted attention. Another important safety tip is to keep a low profile. Avoid drawing attention to your situation. This means limiting noise and light inside the vehicle after dark, and keeping the exterior of your vehicle clean and well-maintained. Finally, always have a plan for emergencies. Keep a spare key hidden outside your vehicle and have a phone charged for emergency calls. A personal safety alarm or a whistle can also be useful to draw attention in case of an emergency. With the right strategies, you can stay safe and comfortable in your vehicle home. While it may not be an ideal situation, it's a reality for many, and being prepared can make all the difference. Keeping clean and well-fed is a challenge in a vehicle, but not an insurmountable one. Hygiene and nutrition are two fundamentals that cannot be compromised, even in a makeshift home on wheels. Let's delve into how we can ensure these needs are met. Firstly, hygiene. Without readily available facilities, maintaining cleanliness can be tricky. However, improvisation is key. Wet wipes and hand sanitizers can be used for personal cleanliness. These items are compact, require no water, and can be easily stored in your vehicle. You can also invest in portable shower systems, which use solar energy to heat water. As for bathroom needs, consider portable toilet systems, or even a simple bucket lined with a bag can suffice in emergencies. Remember, waste management is crucial to avoid unpleasant odors and maintain a healthy environment. Dispose of waste appropriately whenever possible. Now let's talk about nutrition. Eating well is not only crucial for your health, but also for your mental well-being. A balanced diet can keep you energized and focused. Start by choosing non-perishable, nutrition-dense foods like canned goods, dried fruits, and nuts. These items require minimal preparation and can be stored for extended periods. But how do you prepare meals in your vehicle? Compact cooking devices like portable stoves or camping cookware can be invaluable. Remember, safety first. Always ensure proper ventilation when cooking inside your vehicle to prevent carbon monoxide buildup. Organizing your food supplies is also essential. Utilize every available space, but ensure items are secure to prevent spills or accidents when you're on the move. Hydration is another critical aspect of nutrition. Always have a supply of drinkable water on hand. Water purification tablets or portable water filters can be lifesavers when potable water sources are scarce. Remember, your vehicle is more than just a shelter. It's a place where you'll eat, sleep, and live. Even within the confines of a vehicle, you can maintain your health and well-being. Power is a precious commodity when living in a vehicle. Let's talk about how to generate and conserve it. When your vehicle becomes your home, it's not just about fuel for driving, it's about energy for living. This includes charging your phone, powering a portable stove, or running emergency equipment. So, where does this power come from? Well, you have several options. The first is your car's battery. It can provide a reliable source of energy, but remember, it's also needed to start your vehicle. Therefore, it's crucial to monitor your battery's health and avoid draining it completely. Regular driving helps recharge the battery, but if you're stationary for extended periods, investing in a battery charger or maintainer is a wise choice. For those sunny days, consider harnessing the power of the sun with a portable solar charger. These devices can charge your gadgets directly or fill up a power bank for later use. They're lightweight, environmentally friendly, and best of all, they provide free energy whenever the sun is shining. Speaking of power banks, these compact devices can be lifesavers. Charge them up when you have access to a power source, and they'll provide you with a portable supply of energy that you can use anytime, anywhere. Look for models that offer multiple charging ports and a high capacity. Now, while generating power is important, so too is conserving it. Prioritize your power usage based on necessity. Is it more important to charge your phone or to run your cooler? Make conscious choices about when and how you use your power. Turn off any devices that aren't in use and utilize energy-efficient gadgets whenever possible. Remember, it's not just about having power, it's about using it wisely. Power management is key to maintaining the functionality and comfort of your vehicle home. Living in your vehicle isn't just a survival strategy, it's about maintaining your dignity and stability in challenging times. Throughout this video, we've journeyed together, unraveling the practicalities of turning your vehicle into a functional home. From assessing your car's suitability and making critical modifications, to managing temperature extremes and securing your new home on wheels. We've explored maintaining hygiene and health, the art of nutrition and food storage in limited space, and how to power your essential devices. Each step is a testament to human resourcefulness and adaptability. If you found these tips helpful and feel more prepared, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and share with others who might find themselves in similar situations. Your stories and feedback are invaluable, so feel free to drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. Thank you for joining us in exploring vehicle living. Remember, being prepared is the first step towards resilience. Stay safe, stay prepared.